Hey guys, I hope everyone is happy today and having a great day so far. Today's video is going to be really fun because we're doing something I've never done before, and we are going to be using an eyeshadow palette for everything on the face. So we're going to put our primer on, our foundation and powder, and then everything else except for mascara is literally from one eyeshadow palette. I thought it would be really fun to see how eyes, lips, contour and brows all look with one palette. So we're going to be using a Morphe palette for this. We're using the Morphe 350 just because that tended to be everyone's favorite palette for a long period of time, so I thought, why not use that one? So as you guys can see, we've already prepped the skin. We have used the Hourglass number 28 primer. This is such an amazing primer if you're feeling so dry. Honestly, my skin is like the desert at the moment. Winter is not my friend and it's hating me. So I have used that to really boost up my hydration, especially because we are using a fuller coverage foundation. We've used the BareMinerals Bare Pro foundation over top, and then the MAC Studio Fix powder to set everything and add a little bit more just because my skin is kind of breaking out at the moment and I just thought I needed a bit more coverage. So we've done all that, and now is the fun part. We're going to be using the palette now. So you guys have seen I'm using this really deep brown tone in the palette as my eyebrow color. This was one of the things I was so worried about because I was thinking, oh my god, are the tones going to be okay? Am I going to look ridiculous? But this tone actually worked out really nice with my hair color. Only thing I'll say is using this palette for an eyebrow powder may not be my favorite. And the reason why is because it's so creamy, so amazing for the eyes. But as I was blending it on the eyebrows, it was kind of like a bit too creamy, like meshing everywhere, and I was thinking, oh my god, is this gonna bleed and I'm gonna have smudgy eyebrows or what? Ended up turning out really nicely, but I don't know if I would use this as an all-day eyebrow look, just being honest and real. So brows done and dusted. You can see I've gone for a little bit more of a bold eyebrow look today. Tends to be my favorite at the moment. I just love those big brows. And we have now put a crease color on. We are going to come back to this color as well because we're actually going to mix it with another brown for the contour, so a little bit more of that nice soft bronzy tone. So you can see it's just a really nice warm crease color. We are going with a peachy reddish look. I don't know, it looked really peachy in the palette, and then as soon as I put it on my eyes I was like, this is a really deep rusty peach. Love it, super pretty, but I was kind of hoping it would be a bit more peach like my top that I was wearing. Obviously you can see I missed the mark completely. I just didn't even get close to what I was assuming it would look like. Nothing wrong with that. Actually turns out really pretty on the eyes, as you guys can see. It's like eye-catching but nothing too crazy basically. So we're going to do a halo eye today, and we're going to use like a really beautiful peachy pinky soft shimmery shade in the center. This looked so pretty with the outer parts of the eyes. Like this color combo I was living for. It was so nice. I was stoked, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna do the eyes like this and then bring the same color underneath and just blend out that nice soft smoky look. I'm actually really digging at the moment no lashes or liner for a glam look, and I know most people always have to have lashes or liner, but I just feel like my eyeshadow pops so much more when I'm not wearing either. So it's like my new favorite thing. So we just need to make sure everything's nice and blended. Blend your heart away and make everything look nice and smooth basically. And then we can get on to the rest of the face. I'm so excited. I would love to know as well what you guys would like to see next for my videos, because I'm coming to a standstill where I'm like, I don't know what you guys want to see. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like my next videos to be, whether it's like skincare, hauls, makeup, tutorials, story times, I don't know, just whatever you guys want, let me know. And I would love if you guys could please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you haven't already on this video. We need to add a little bit more sparkle into our life, guys, so using that same center color for the inner corners of the eyes, we want to add a little bit of shimmer before popping this mascara on. I cannot get away from this mascara at the moment. I don't know if you guys have seen in my videos lately, but this tends to be my favorite mascara to use. This is the Stila Huge Lash Mascara, and I think it's because I am not wearing false lashes at the moment. This makes me feel like I am, but a little bit more toned down than a false lash would look. So very volumized lashes, quite thick, but nothing too clumpy, because I personally do not like clumpy lashes. I can't stand them. I feel like they make me look like a spider, like I've got spiders on my eyes. So this is my favorite mascara at the moment. It's like the best of both worlds. Alright, let's get on to this contour. Oh, giving me a heart attack. Even like having a look at it, I'm like, whew, is it gonna work? Is it gonna be okay? So you guys can see I am blending this out to the max. So I literally dunked that brush in the tiniest amount of the eyeshadow, because I thought, well, everything else is so creamy. I think this is going to go everywhere. So you can see I have used the tiniest amount, and I'm blending that bronzing contour look out. It was a little bit warmer than my typical bronzer, I would say, but I was quite happy. Like, considering it's an eyeshadow, it does bronzing pretty darn well on the face. I feel like I have been watching so many YouTube videos lately, it is ridiculous. I'm literally that person that I'll start watching a video about a makeup tutorial and then I'll end up watching videos about shark attacks. Like, the recommended videos that come up on the site, I just go through them and through them and through them, and it's the never ending story. I cannot get away from YouTube videos, but there's some really good videos out there at the moment. I watched Jeffree Star's latest video the other day, and actually, I'm lying, it was this morning. Time is flying by in my mind, apparently, and I honestly loved his video so much. The fact that he was wearing stuff from Walmart, it was so good. It was so nice to see him actually wear something that I could afford for once, because I'm not gonna lie, I can't afford all of his designer clothes. I don't think many people could, in all honesty. Anyway, let's get back to the makeup. So you guys can see we have highlighted my face using the paler shimmery shade out of the palette. It's really pretty, but I will say for someone pale like me, it doesn't do it justice. Like, it would look stunning on someone that was a little bit deeper in colouring than myself, or tan. It would look gorgeous, but for a pale person, you can't see it really. And then we've contoured the nose as well, just with the same colours that we used on the cheeks, because I thought, well, I want to see how obvious it is on my nose, and it didn't do too bad. I was quite happy with the outcome of the nose contour, not gonna lie. You can see I am not having fun with the lips though. I think I have tried powdered lipstick maybe twice in my life, and I am not a fan at all. So as soon as I realized I would have to do my lips with the eyeshadow palette as well, I was thinking, damn it, why did I decide to do this? But it's a really pretty color, so I would love it if it was in a maybe liquid lipstick formula. It would look really beautiful. It ended up being a little bit more patchy than your typical lipstick, obviously because it's eyeshadow. Completely understandable though. I didn't expect it would be the most amazing lip product ever, but I was really surprised at how well this makeup look turned out. I thought that the bronzing contour on the cheek would at least look a little bit more patchy than what it did, so happily surprised, and this was so fun filming something a little bit different because I've never filmed anything like this for my channel before either. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a really great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!